I also urge our county government departments to connect with the military veterans chapter and see the possibilities of utilizing your expertise and experience, especially in the areas of security, intelligence, fire and disaster management, in order to complement national and county security organs.
Veterans demonstrate the highly regarded and unique values as dignity and honor, high sense of duty, valor, and self-sacrifice that can serve as positive role models in our Embu community.
Na tunasemanga retired but not tired. Huko nje kuna kazi nyingi, na ndio hii serikali ya William Ruto na Profesa waliona ni vizuri kutengenezwa sheria. Nyinyi ambaye mmepigania nchi ya Kenya ipelekwe Senate na Parliament, ama Parliament ya Senate ipite, ndio msaurike